Hi, I'm Hazel Gale. I'm a cognitive hypnotherapist, an ex-boxer and kickboxer, and author of the book Fight, Win Freedom from Self-Sabotage. I'm super excited to be partnering up with Life and Me to run a 7-day online workshop called Making Magic from Monsters. This is a course essentially for anyone who finds themselves wondering from time to time whether they could actually be their own worst enemy. We're going to be taking a creative look at the concept of self-sabotage, with the aim of learning why we do the things we wish we wouldn't, and how to take back our rightful sense of self-command. However it is that you like to get in your own way, whether it's through procrastination, binge drinking, overeating, undereating, overthinking, or getting anxious, getting angry, or something else. This course has been designed to give you an effective means to start tackling those issues, so that you can emerge at the end of the week feeling stronger, more resourceful, more congruent, and better able to live the life that you most want to live. My book is called Fight because my biggest moments of self-sabotage cropped up while I was competing. But we don't all have to step into a boxing ring to know what it's like to be in a brawl. We fight ourselves quite instinctively when we do those things that we wish we wouldn't. We try to cut ourselves down to size by restricting or punishing ourselves. We push ourselves too hard, and we beat ourselves up with relentless self-criticism. But these things don't work. You simply cannot wage war on yourself and then emerge victorious. Making magic from monsters is about building self-awareness and finding a far better way of taking real control. We all have our monsters of the mind, and left to their own devices, those destructive parts of the personality can keep us down. It doesn't have to be this way. In fact, those very same parts could hold the key to a more exciting, more successful, and more connected life. We just have to learn how to make friends with them first. You can take this course from the privacy of your own home, with or without the support of others going through the same process. If you'd like to join us, we're going to connect through a Facebook group to share our comments, questions, and the creative images that can emerge from this work. You can find all the information you need in this video's details. I do hope to see you soon.